Well, this looks delicious. It's simple, healthy, balanced food. But it's not the typical food you'll find on a hospital trolley being pushed around the ward. And the Public Accounts Committee has been looking into the state of catering in hospitals, and it's fair to say we're not very impressed with what we found. For nearly a decade now, this committee has been demanding action to have better quality food served in hospitals, and the progress simply isn't good enough. We know from the surveys that the patients fill in that they don't feel that the quality of food they get is good enough. So our committee is calling for clear action from the Welsh Government, and to do it quickly, to make sure that patients get a healthy, nutritious, balanced diet, because we know that helps speed recovery, and it's time for us to sort out the quality of food that patients get.